Programmers do kung fu fighting to write code fast as lightning.
So let's write the next test case, which is actually now going for 3 times the same book, right? Because the 5% rule should be covered entirely. I mean, I could now add another case where I have 3 times, 2 books 3 times each, but I think I trust that the implementation should work with that as well for now. Let's go for 3 books. Public void 3. Let's stay with the naming conversation. Same book 3 times. Costs 24 euros, right? Which means order add book. The second this time, add it 3 times and say this one costs 2400. Re-execute. This should actually work, and it does. Next case is 3 different books, which should not work because I need the rule for that. Books receive 10% discount. That's the interesting rule. Order add book. Let's do it like first, second, third this time. And order add book third. And then I have assert that the value is 3 books, 2400. 10% discount is 240 off. So it's 2160, right? Recompute that. This test case is failing as I assumed. What do I have to do? Actually, I have to add another case here and say if number of distinct books equals 3, then total plus equals, same thing here, 3 times single book price times 0.9, 10% discount. Do I need the else here? No, actually I don't. Oh, I do. No, I don't. But for the sake of looking nice, I will do that. Okay, so that's working already. Do I need to clean up? No, actually, I don't think I need to clean up anything. So let's go back to our tests. And let's see now if we should ensure that the 3 books rule takes precedence of the 2 books rule. So what I'm going to do here is actually add 4 books, 1 duplicated. 4 books, 1 duplicated, receive. So the 3 book rule should take precedence, so it should give 10% discount on 3 books. Order add book second, order add book fourth, order add book fifth. Now I have 3 books and I want to have 1 duplicated. For example, the 5th book is duplicated, and I want to assert that the total is 2190 plus 800, because 8 euros for the 4th book is 2960. Does that work? Yes, that works. Okay, so the rule takes precedence over the pair rule, which is quite nice. Do I have to do something else to ensure that this rule is applied multiple times. I could go for a test like this with 6 books. Oh, let's do that. Should work, but for the sake of completeness, void. So it's actually 3 books duplicated. Receive 10% discount. So book order at book like this. Second 2 times, and order at book first 2 times, and order at book third 2 times. Should be 2 times 3 books, so it should be 4,320. 4,320 if I didn't miscalculate. Re-execute. Test works. Okay, I think I'm content with the rule of 3 books for now, so I go for 4 books. In this case, public void same book 4 times, costs which is 4 times 32 euros, right? So order at book, whatever the third one, 4 times. Assert that, no, wrong one. Assert that the total in cents is 3,200. Re-execute, that should work. Yes, it does. What we do need to add here is public void for different books. Receive 20% discount. That's actually a new rule, so this should fail. Order at book second, third, no, like this, third, the fourth and the fifth. And assert that the total 20% is 640, right? So we have 2,600, 2,560, if I'm not mistaken. Repeat, test is failing as I expected. And of course, I need to add another case here. Say if number of distinct books equals 4, then I'm going to update the total with 4 times the single book price times 0.8, which is 20%. Else recompute the tests. Working. Nice. Go back here, 4 times the same, 4 different books. So now I need to combine this rule. Actually, since I've seen in general that the precedence, no, complete test suites. Since the test is easy to write, I'm going to write it because it will ensure in the future that my code is correct. So if I have 4 different books, or if I have 4 books, one duplicated. So I have 5 books, 1 duplicated. If I stay with my naming convention, 5 books, 1 duplicated. Receive 20% discount on 4 books. And full price on the last one. So I take over these 4 books and I duplicate, let's say, the third here. So I should have an assertion which says we have the price of 4 books plus 800, which is 3,360. Recompute works. Nice. This is it for today. I hope you liked this episode and could take something from it. If so, give me a thumbs up. If not, drop me a comment, send me a message, let me know what you think about it. And yeah, I hope to see you next time.